Hi Diva lovers, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kay Young, as in Young Forever. In today's video I'll be making a jewelry box. I mean, you can make it anything you want it to be. I'm just going to show you how to make a simple glamour jewelry box. But before we get into our video, you know what time it is. It's motivation time. So today's motivation: every time you get upset at something, ask yourself, if you were to die tomorrow, was it worth wasting your time being angry? Really? No. So instead of wasting your time being angry, be happy. Think positive. Okay, my diva lovers, with all that, let's go DIY. Okay, my divas, so here are my mirrors, and we're gonna need 40 square mirrors. I got these from the Dollar Tree a good while now, but every now and then they come in. So I got 4 of them. Then you're going to need your glue gun, or if you want this to be permanent, you're going to use some E6000. Okay, I've got you're going to need some gemstones, some sticker stones, and these I got them from the Dollar General, but they also come on half sheet at the Dollar Tree. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to do one. This is time consuming. Okay, I did go ahead and start one already. So all we're gonna do is put our gemstone around the edges of the silver. Okay, can you see? Just like that. Just like that. Then for the mirrors, oh, I say I'm using four medium-sized mirror. I got these from Joann's for 99 cents. They I think they have either 4 or 6 in a pack. I believe it's 4. I don't think it's 6 for 99 cents. I think it's 4 they have in a pack for 99 cents. Okay, then we're gonna put some rhinestone around the mirror as well. See? So we have our first mirror with gemstone around, and then we have our medium-sized mirror with the gemstone around. Now what I'm gonna do is put it in the center. So as I said, I'm making a box. Okay, I'm making a box. And it should look like this when you're done. Okay, and then after that, as I said, guys, this is time consuming, so I'm gonna do it off camera, but I'm just gonna I'm showing you what I'm doing. So this here is going to go in the center here of the box. You're going to use your hot glue or your crazy glue, whatever you want it to be. If you want it permanent, you have to use your E6000. But for video purposes, I'm going to use my hot glue. And we should look like this when we are finished. Then, of course, I'm going to cover it. So I'm going to put another one on top with my bling around it. And voila, we have a cover. Okay? So I'm going to bling all of these up. Put them together. And I will... Okay guys, so I am back. So this is what it looked like. Okay? And this is my cover. I didn't show this part, but I put a little gem stone on the top where I can open it. So we're gonna put this on display. This is what it looks like. Real simple and easy. What I look like without a focus.